So we've got some fresh tuna happening today with a nice mild, beautiful coconut curry, and it is super easy to make. I mean super, super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you can see I've got two fresh tuna there. They've been cleaned, so they've been cleaned inside, the guts have been taken out, the tail's been taken off, and the spikes on the top have been taken out there. Now I'm going to be using one of these for this recipe and one for another recipe. What I'm going to do is take this one and slice it up. Okay, so this is very, very simple. Now you can see I've cut the tuna into nice slices there. If you want to use the head, you can. I'm not using the head in this one, but you can for sure. 1 cup of onions, 1 pint of coconut milk, some fresh chilies. The amount's entirely up to you what you want to put in. 2 or 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. And then here we've got 5 powders, 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala powder. We're gonna get this together in no time. It's delicious and so easy. So what I've got there is 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. If you wanted, you could of course use a different type of oil. In goes that 1 cup of onions, cut quite small. We're now also going to add in our fresh chili, which is entirely up to you how much you want to put in. We're on an above medium heat. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is really, really easy, this one. Salt. Our 5 powders go in now as well. So that's a teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, garam masala powder. We're going to go just for 3 minutes. Fabulous, really simple. Now we're going to grab 1 pint of coconut milk and get that in. We're going to add a little bit of water to that. We're going to grab our fish. We're going to drop it all in there. We're going to get the heat on below medium. We're going to let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes. It's going to be delicious. You've nearly done it. Only 1 more step to do. Okay, off goes the heat. That is beautiful, really beautiful. The masala's thickened up there as it's steamed out. You can see the coconut's got a bit more of a glaze on it. Check it for salt, going to be good for me. Cilantro, coriander. Little mix, job done, easy peasy. Get your rice ready. And there you go, that was super easy, and I'm telling you that is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.